Hey everyone, get ready for summer adventures with Verde Canyon Railroad.
From wine on the rails to Father's Day fun and exciting America 250 news, the locomotives are rolling all summer long. There's no better way to beat the Arizona heat than aboard a scenic train ride through the Red Rock Canyon. With air-conditioned first-class seating, shaded open-air viewing cars, and the refreshing Verde River winding below, summer rides are one cool adventure.
And remember, our summer schedule is now in full swing. Our classic train departures are at 1 p.m. Saturday morning trains now depart at 11 a.m. and our Saturday Starlight adventures roll out at 5:30 p.m. Perfect for sunset chasers and stargazers.
Speaking of Saturday nights, Grape Train Escape is right around the bend. Starting June 6th and running every Saturday evening through September 12th, guests can sip a variety of wines while rolling through towering Red Rock cliffs from golden hour into starlight.
Each ticket includes wine tastings, a souvenir wine glass, complimentary charcuterie, a champagne toast, and a 4-hour round-trip journey through one of Arizona's most breathtaking landscapes. Now let's talk about Father's Day, because dads deserve adventure too.
The best gifts don't come in boxes, they come with a view, so throw Papa on the train. June 20th through the 21st, we are giving you 3 rides to choose from to treat Dad to an unforgettable journey through Arizona's wild side. A Father's Day weekend with great scenery, cold drinks, canyon breezes, and quality family time. That sounds like the perfect gift to us, and speaking of gifts, we have a special one that we will be handing out to all the dads before you depart.
And we're incredibly honored and excited to announce that Verde Canyon Railroad is officially part of the America 250 campaign.
That's right. As America prepares to celebrate its 250th anniversary, Verde Canyon Railroad is proud to be part of the nationwide spotlight on historic destinations and iconic American experiences.
Verde Canyon Railroad is an official Arizona America 250 passport site, one of 250 destinations statewide recognized for helping tell America's story. You can download the free mobile passport to visit featured locations across Arizona, including us. Now through the end of August, you'll see patriotic decor at the depot. Our team members are also going to be rocking these awesome shirts, which are also available for purchase in the Boxcar gift store.
America, built by railroads, powered by freedom. Plus, we have exciting 4th of July plans coming down the tracks and more announcements soon. Planning the ultimate Arizona getaway, we are offering Verde Canyon Railroad passengers the best value with room and ride packages here at Tawakee Inn.
Less than 5 minutes from the depot, Tawakee Inn combines Southwest charm, stunning views, and relaxing comfort with your unforgettable train ride through the canyon.
Wake up to a scratch-made breakfast, explore Clarkdale, Sedona, Jerome, and Cottonwood, then climb aboard Arizona's most scenic train ride. Your journey truly starts here.
From all of us here at Verde Canyon Railroad,
thanks for riding with us, making memories with us, and experiencing Arizona's wild side.
We'll see you at the depot.